You know what frustrates me the most? Watching people invest money while ignoring the problems, quietly draining them every single day. They'll buy stocks, try crypto, chase trends, but at the same time, they're carrying expensive debt that keeps growing in the background. It's like pouring water into a glass that has cracks. No matter how much you add, it never fills up. If you actually want to build wealth, there's a simple order you need to follow. Not exciting, not flashy, but it works. Let's break it down. First, before you invest even 1 rupee, you need a small safety net. An emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. A sudden expense can force you to sell investments at the worst time or take on bad debt. Even saving a small amount like your first $500 or $1,000 can completely change how you handle stress. Next, you need to deal with high-interest debt. This is the silent killer. If you're paying 20% interest on a credit card, no investment is realistically beating that. Paying it off is not a loss. It's actually a guaranteed return. Every dollar you clear is money you stop losing. Now here's the twist most people miss. If your job offers any kind of investment match, you take it. Always. That's free money. It's one of the only times in life where you can instantly double your money without risk. Even if you still have debt, this step is worth it. Once that's done, you move into smart investing. Start with accounts that give you tax advantages. These accounts let your money grow faster because less is taken away. Over time, this small difference becomes massive. Think long-term here, not quick wins. If you have access to something like a health savings account, it's even better. It gives you benefits when you put money in, while it grows, and when you take it out for medical needs. Few tools are that powerful. After that, increase your long-term investments. Stay consistent. Don't try to time the market. Don't chase hype. Just build slowly. And only after doing all of this, then you move to normal investment accounts where you have full flexibility. These are useful, but they should come last because they're less efficient. So the real order looks like this. Build safety, remove high-cost debt, take free money, use smart accounts, then invest freely. It's not complicated, but most people do it backwards. They chase fast money first and fix problems later. If you flip that order, everything changes. Because wealth isn't built by doing exciting things first. It's built by doing the right things in the right order.